Hey guys, so I decided, there's my face. There it is. I decided to invite my daughter Mariana to just hang out with us for a few minutes today. And I'm trying to figure out where I am in the camera. There we go. And
Everything's backwards.
she's gonna just answer a couple of the questions that I would ask you guys and just kind of give us some experience. So first of all, I'm gonna give her a second just to introduce herself a little bit to you and tell you why she agreed to do this.
Well, like she said, my name's Mariana. Nick's my brother, so is Caleb, so is Jake. I have an older sister, Abby. Mom's probably mentioned her. I'm home because of Corona 2020. And that's why I'm doing this, because I'm bored.
So you're so excited to have her because she's bored. First of all, we are going to put up a discussion board for you guys to ask her questions. Okay. And so we'll kind of vet those questions a little bit, and there will be some she won't answer, I'm sure. But some of them will be fun. Okay. And don't we look alike? Yay. Not at all. Okay. So first up, what's freedom? Tell me.
Probably being doing what's best for yourself.
How do you know what to do?
Based on if it's morally correct.
And where does the moral law come from?
The Bible.
Okay. And I really haven't cued her, guys. So this is like totally cold. So it's kind of fun, actually.
And what?
So where does the Bible get its power? God. Actually, the answer to everything in religion, right?
God.
Okay, but
Jesus.
the question becomes, God is the source of all
Things.
I was actually looking for the word truth there, but that's okay. God's the source of all truth. So this means that truth and freedom are intrinsically linked. Okay? All right, let's find her another really hard question. Do 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 do. Okay. Let's see. Oh, this is a good one. She and I talked about this today. She'll be kind of freaking out. Okay, so this is the thing. All right, we're sitting on the floor if you can't tell. Okay, there we go. That's a little better. Okay, a little more cozy. There we go. Okay. What is the difference between internal and external motivation?
The difference?
Yes. What's the difference?
Extrinsic is you're motivated by your surroundings, and intrinsic is you can motivate yourself.
And what would you say is yours?
Extrinsic, Mom.
Why?
Because I don't motivate myself.
Why not?
I don't know.
Okay, but seriously, one of the reasons I had Mariana come in today was because you just don't always have it all together all the time. Okay. And so right now, what she's working through is how can I motivate myself more? Like internally, do what I want to do because it's good for me and not because someone else around me is doing it or because I have a friend doing it or because, I don't know, there's a cute boy who's watching or whatever. Speaking of cute boys, she likes cute boys. She does, just like you guys do. And so I find her to be lots of fun and very normal in that capacity. What is the difference between someone who, like, what do you think someone who possesses internal motivation or is able to motivate themselves, what's the difference between you and them? Like, why can they do that? What's the difference? And can you hope someday to be internally motivated?
Yeah, I would say that you can hope to someday be internally motivated. The outside of the obvious difference.
Yeah. I mean, like, why? So think of someone you know who's internally motivated. Who's gonna like do the right thing all the time. Who's gonna work out all the time.
I feel like it's a sense of like willpower.
Okay. All right. So basically, your will's in charge and you're not.
Yeah.
That must bother you because you like to be in charge.
I also like to do what I want, though. So.
Okay. All right. So anyway, girls, we're going to stop here for today.
Okay.
And though seriously, I want you to just send in some fun questions for her to ask her about school life, about college, about dating, whatever. And if If she wants to answer it, she will. If she doesn't, you'll know that we skipped that one. And I hope you're all safe and well. And I love you all. And remember that you're beautiful. And have a great night. Goodbye. Turn it off.